Hey there, Kevin here. Coming to you from the van tonight for the Cigar and Whiskey Talk. So this is going to be a cigar talk, not a cigar and whiskey talk, because I'm on the road. Tonight now I'll be honest with you, I normally don't go in for flavored cigars and all those kind of things, but this is a coffee flavored Macanudo. And I'm going to hit it with the draw poker tonight instead of clipping the end. That's what we got going on there. Now if I can just find my cover. There it is. And I'm going to talk to you tonight about some more tomfoolery that goes on from our legislators and so on. Let's see. Tonight, I kind of want to propose the Responsibility in Government Act. Now, we all know, kind of touched on it before, that our legislators spend way too much time trying to be activists instead of being our representatives. And with that in mind, going back to that poison pill stuff and the clean bills that we would like to propose, I kind of want to propose the Responsibility in Government Act. This goes back to those things where we hear our legislators going, well, we got to pass the bill before we see what's in the bill. Okay, that's not true. The bill should be written and read and understood by anybody voting on them long before any votes take place. So, I want to propose that some of the tenets with the Clean Bill Act, or with the Responsibility in Government Act, will be every bill will have the constitutional authority cited in the bill to make that bill a thing. In other words, if you don't have constitutional authority to do it, then you can't pass the bill. You can't even write the bill. Forget it. Number two, you can't vote on a bill unless you have actually read it and understood it. And not a staff member, not an overview, none of those things. You have to read each and every word of that bill and understand it before you can vote on it. Otherwise, you vote to abstain. You abstain from voting. Well, we got so much going on. We don't have time to do all this. What you do. That's your job. You need to stop being activists and start being representatives. Quit fooling around. I've been reading some old stuff, and it's starting to torque me off, and that's where a lot of this stuff is coming on. So I'm kind of going to go over a few things that I think we ought to do. Like I talked to you about the Clean Bill Act. That wasn't complete. I may actually write it. Let you guys have it someplace, maybe on Patreon or someplace where you can download it and send it to your legislators. Too much ridiculous stuff going on. In the future, I'm going to think about election campaign finance reform bill. But anyway, back to responsibility in government. Yeah, I think constitutional authority for the bill ought to be cited. I don't think our legislators should vote on a bill if they haven't actually read. I don't think they should just propose a bill based on the synopsis of the bill without the bill actually being written yet. And you remember when Nancy Pelosi was trying to pass some stuff through and she caught a lot of guff over it, and she came out and said, well, if we just rename it something else, maybe people will understand. Okay, it's the same bill. If you just use different words to get people on your side, if it's a bad bill in the first place, it's a bad bill. Okay, if people don't want it, GPS is talking to me. Exit. Bing, ba-dum. I don't know what it said that made me think I wanted to talk to it. But anyhow, what do you guys think? I think there's way too many shenanigans going on. Way too many shenanigans. As you figured out, I'm on the road tonight. This was an unplanned trip. So, anyhow, responsibility in government. Our legislators and everybody in the government, for that matter, needs to stop trying to be activists. You're not elected to be activists. You may have been an activist, which is how you got elected, but now your responsibilities are to your oath, to the Constitution, and to the people of the United States. Note I said the people of the United States. People of the United States. Not every other country. They've all got their own governments. It's not your job. Not your job. Anyway, I hope everybody out there is having a good time. Hope everybody's safe. Hope everybody's happy. I'm going to cut this short and get back on the road. Thanks for all your support. Thanks for your views. Thanks for your like. Thanks for your comments. I try to get back to as many of you as I can, but I just am not really good at that. I'll be honest with you. I want to thank you all who have supported the channel through using my links in the description. I appreciate that. So, with all of that being said, see y'all in the woods someplace, I hope. School season starts soon. Get in there and sign up for your classes. Talk to y'all later. Have a good one. Oh, I forgot. Would I do it again or would I not do it again? It's a little bit bitter. Got a lot of coffee smell to it, but not a lot of coffee taste. Macanudo coffee flavored. I might do it again. I'm not entirely certain at this particular moment in time. Talk to y'all later.